have many mats. Dive into an immersive, play-based learning adventure where farm animals, zoo animals, and African wildlife come together in the mud. For an exciting and educational experience, this fun-filled activity is perfect for young explorers who love animals and enjoy learning through interactive play. Explore the fascinating world of African wildlife such as elephants, zebras, lions, and cheetahs. Begins the journey. Uncovering the secrets of fox. Foxes are playful animals and engage in activities that resemble games. This behavior is not only entertaining but also helps them develop essential skills such as hunting and coordination. The elegance and grace of deer. There are around 90 species of deer worldwide, ranging from the tiny poodle, which stands only about a foot tall at the shoulder, to the majestic moose, which can stand over 7 feet tall. One of the most recognizable features led the discovery of Anteater. Anteaters are fascinating mammals known for their long snouts and specialized feeding habits. There are 4 recognized species of anteaters: the giant anteater, the silky anteater, the southern tamandua, and the northern tamandua. The beauty of the cat kingdom. Cats were likely first domesticated in the Near East around 7500 BCE. Primarily for their role in controlling pests, there are over 70 different recognized cat breeds, each with its own unique characteristics, appearance, and behavior. Tales from the rabbit kingdom. Rabbits are social animals and thrive in the company of other rabbits. They often form close bonds with their companions. Rabbits communicate with each other through various body movements, sounds, and thumping their hind legs. They can also purr when content. Through the eyes of bears. Bears have strong claws and teeth, while they are primarily adapted for their omnivorous diet. They can be formidable when defending themselves. Many bear species are listed as threatened or endangered due to habitat loss. The majestic world of horse. Horses belong to the species Equus cabeles. There are numerous horse breeds, each with unique characteristics such as the Arabian, Thoroughbred, Clydesdale, and many more. Horses have hyposodont teeth, which means their teeth continually grow. Explore the world of Rooster. Roosters are adult male chickens The term rooster is commonly used in United States, while in other English-speaking countries, they are often referred to as cocks or cockerels. Roosters are larger and more brightly colored than hens. The apex predator wolf. In the wild, wolves typically live around 6 to 8 years, although some individuals have been known to live longer. In captivity, they may live longer, with lifespans of up to 15 years. Wolves are highly adaptable and can live in a variety of environments, including forest. The silent language of camel. Contrary to popular belief, a camel's stomach is not filled with water. Instead, it stores fat, which can be converted into energy and water when needed. The hump shrinks and becomes flaccid as the camel uses up its fat stores. Camels are often associated with nomadic cultures. Tales from the world of Rhinoceros. There are 5 existing species of rhinoceros: white rhino, black rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. The white rhinoceros is the largest species. Exploring the mystic of Panda. Pandas are native to central China and can be found in the mountainous regions, particularly in Sichuan, Shaanxi and Gansu provinces. Pandas are easily recognizable by their distinctive black and white fur, with black patches around their eyes. Exploring the zebra beauty. Zebras are fascinating animals known for their distinctive black and white striped coat. Zebras have unique stripe patterns that are thought to help them evade predators by confusing them. Each zebra has a distinct pattern, much like a human fingerprint. Behold the mighty hippopotamus! The common hippopotamus is the third largest land mammal after elephants and white rhinoceroses. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds or more. They are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. Despite their massive size, hippos are herbivores. Unveiling the elephant edition. Elephants are the largest land animals on earth. The two main species of elephants are the African elephant and the Asian elephant. African elephants are generally larger than Asian elephants. Adult elephants can weigh anywhere from 4,500 to 11,000 kilograms. Introducing the bull species. A bull is an adult male cattle while a cow is an adult female. Bulls are often kept for breeding purposes, and their meat is generally not as valued as that of steers, castrated males because of its toughness. There are numerous cattle breeds. A journey into goat habitats. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated by humans around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are known for their various vocalizations, including bleats, grunts, and snorts. Each sound has a different meaning, and goats can communicate effectively. Get ready to roar with the lion. Lions are found in parts of Africa, and a small population exists in the Giraffe National Park in India. They typically inhabit grassland, savannas, and open woodlands. Male lions are known for their distinctive manes, which vary in color and size. The mane serves both as a form of protection and a display of strength and attract females. Spotlight on Earth's tallest animal, giraffe. Giraffes have a massive heart weighing around 25 pounds 11 kg, which is necessary to pump blood up their long necks to reach their brains. Their blood pressure is also unusually high to overcome the gravitational force and reach the brain. Giraffes are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves. They are known to eat up to 75 pounds of food per day. Time to explore the last animal, cow. Cows are social animals and often form close bonds with other members of their herd. They can become stressed if they are separated from their companions. Cows spend a significant amount of their time grazing on grass. They have a specialized digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from plant fibers. Lifespan of a cow is around 15 to 20 years. Appreciate your time devoted to watching play-based learning with farm animals, zoo animals, and African wildlife in the mud adventure. Subscribe now for an unforgettable play-based learning adventure where farm animals, zoo animals, and African wildlife come together in the mud. Let's explore, play, and learn together in this exciting and educational journey. Stay ready for more muddy expeditions. Take care, young explorers!